What's up? So today is a good day. I just did 24 hours, really like 28 hours, 25 hours. 29 hours, so 5 hours plus that 24. Yeah, I got 4:30 yesterday. I've been up all night. I got like an hour nap because I got caught on the hill. But I'm feeling good. I'm tired, but I'm feeling good. Like I can make it. I ain't going to sleep. I ain't gonna take a shower either, because if I take a shower, I'm definitely gonna fall asleep. So I'm about to go change, go to pick up the van from the exhaust shop, go get some parts. Today we're gonna get the Tahoe motor 100% together, so we can try to, I work on Fridays and I don't work on Sundays, because my wife won't let me. So we can get the motor together and paint it today, and drop that boy in on Saturday morning, and then roll it right into the lift, because it needs to be ready by next Friday for the exhaust shop. So yeah, so I'm pretty sure you get that done in time, and then in the time being we'll start getting the interior ripped apart so the Dynamat can get installed. The sound deadener, it's not gonna be Dynamat, but I need to check the shipping updates on that and see what's up with it, because I need to be here next week, because I know I'm gonna have at least 2 to 3 free days. At least 2 to 3 free days. So I need to see what's up with that. Yeah, that lift should be done by Tuesday, so that leaves me Wednesday, Thursday. So 2 days. Rip the interior out in about an hour, and start installing some of that sound deadener. But yeah, other than that, man, like I say, it's getting painted. Don't need that much body work. Well, no body work besides that one ding on the passenger door. All the spare pieces need to be primed, like 2 front bumpers going with painted bumpers. The front and back bumper, grill, like that grill prime though. Lights need to be put on, a bunch of little stuff. So the system is I'm gonna start wiring up the system. I might do the big 3 where I already had an engine out. So it's getting an external alternator, right? A secondary, I shouldn't say external. A secondary alternator, and it's running off running to a lithium ion limitless battery. So it's gonna be externally regulated, sitting to the side. 2 runs of 2-0 ran off that, running all the way to the back to that lithium battery, and we'll run the base from that battery. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, man. Is finally back together. Like literally the whole damn place out. Put the new bones in. I had to get them from the house. He had all the way to a whole nother city. That's where J-Rock Customs at over here. Show y'all the citizen. CT. I gotta give me a picture real quick. LSX. I don't know if he gonna turbo it yet, because he be tripping, but he got a turbo for it. Definitely will be swapped though in the next 2 months. Read up on it. It's only 2 sheets. I'm baby doing it right now, bro. Little flat bar for that radiator support for the golden rule. Let's get these wood sheets in here. We can go hard freight, do some returns, and get some food. Y'all be like, what's making all that noise right there? Big port. Whew. It ain't even hot yet. I don't think I'm ready for this man's heat. It's only like 75, if that. Today's about to be 105, 110. Let me give me some Dickie shorts to work in. Cause pants ain't gonna do it. We there. Put that music back there. Set it down. That's how I wanted it. Sitting up in the front a little bit. Oh, this shit yours.
Look at this.
It's yours.
Oh, you stupid.
Gang. You going turbo now.
Turbo photo.
You got a C10, so that. Yeah, I'm at the house, man. So y'all remember I had to bring all my stuff in the backyard in. So these two 96 Impala SS rims, posies, 8.5s, changing studs in one that I'm putting on my turbo joint. And this motor I just sold to somebody. More info coming up, but I just want to see what's the casting numbers on this boy, see if I got over on myself. 3970010. I want to see if it's 4-bow main. If it is, I'll definitely rob myself. But anyway, I got to start getting all this stuff cleaned up and moved, because I'm gonna be selling or renting this house one or two. So I gotta start getting it ready, get all my stuff going. I don't know if J-Rock rebuilding this motor, but we need to find out ASAP so we can get rebuilt. I'm trading this one for some slicks. So what's wrong with this motor is don't turn over all the way. So it's either rod bent or something with timing, one of the two. Or just been sitting for too long, which I doubt that's the case. So I was gonna take it apart and then fix it and put it back together and keep it. But I didn't need so many motors that I'm not gonna do it no more. So, yep, that's what the deal is with this motor. And that one, I got cradles for the motors I'm keeping. So, build these cradles. This one-on-one. This motor tip top, nothing wrong with it. Got AC, everything, all the accessories besides the alternator because I took it. The carb swap, that's going on the cradle too, and they going in my storage. Because I'm keeping those, because I'm pretty sure I ain't going to be able to sell it. I can sell that brown box Chevy though. I'm going to sell that real quick. I think I'll be able to. But yeah, man, that's what's the deal with all this stuff right here. Now, let me show y'all the box, man. Show y'all what happened to me today. It's sitting exactly. Boom. It's sitting the way I wanted to sit right. Today, rolled over a bump. I put that music in the back, put them 14 back there, it dropped about 2 inches. Exactly how I wanted it to look like the tire is. Yeah, like exactly like I want it to look like the tire is under the right. Yeah, I see a lot of box shit people trimming right there. I see it, man, I'm cool. And then once I dropped it, it went even closer. So, yeah, you gotta cut that. Let me show you how. Wow. Chunk came out that board early, I hit a bump. So I made up like fiberglass and it's just sitting it back on to make me feel better. Put some glass on it and roll it over and let it sit for a couple hours and let it get back in place. It hurt, man, just looking at that. Tires, I mean, he got 20 miles on it. Oh man, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the Tahoe motor in a second. And yeah, man, like I said, stuff just bound to happen right now. I don't know why or how. My dryer went out again. I just replaced it like 3 weeks ago. Like, I got a curse right now. The devil working, boy. The devil was working. Y'all know y'all gotta put them CDs in the old school. But yeah, they rock the turbo. I'm taking it back to the shop. I'm gonna check all this over there too. But yeah, man, go to Tahoe. All the parts clean, pressure washed, oven cleaned. But boy, look at that 350. Looking damn good. So I got the oil pump in that bag right there. Just got the screen, a new screen, and then the new oil pump that came with the kit, all married. But y'all can probably hear this compression. Probably not. I'm holding it with my hand. Oh, man. But you probably can hear that compression, man. I got a 16 mil, but I'm just doing it by hand. It rolled over easy by hand. I'm trying to do it one time for y'all. Yeah. Here you go real quick. It's hitting on that bolt right there. Motor got heavy once I put all stuff in there, but y'all get the gist, man. I just gotta put the push rods, rocker arms, valve covers, oil pan, intake, upper intake, throttle body, and literally drop it on. But yeah. Y'all see it. Y'all hear it too. I'm sure y'all hear it. Yep, y'all hear it, man. Taking all my screw. But yeah, it's chip top. We ready to go. Them brass goldish looking freeze plugs look real good on that too. Let me just turn it around for y'all one time for the snap. Yeah, look at how beautiful this scenery looks. You heard? Painted the oil, water pump, clean the timing coat gasket, new gasket, fresh RTV. So I just need to clean these heads, this part of it. And once I put the upper intake on it, lower intake on it, I clean this part of the back. I cleaned that one and painted it. Y'all can see it. Took everything down, took the heads down, rocker arms, push rods, lower intake manifold, bolt that down, spider injectors, all that. Fresh lifters and cam in, old cam right here on the floor. Got to the second to the last load, got the pitting on it, everything's in. Yeah, man, I just need to tomorrow, I'm sure, go full throttle, which I already cleaned it. The hardest part, man, is cleaning. So you gotta clean all this stuff with a whole bunch of, rod, grease, blah, 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 blah. So everything clean. All I gotta do is paint while I bolt up stuff.